All right, so let's install Debian 12. We're going to blast through this really quick. First thing, we're going to select our ISO from the Ventoy menu, boot in normal grub mode. Here we are with the menu, going to say graphical install, and we are right in our installer. Going to select English and next, United States, next, American English, and next. That's going to detect a few things. And next, we're going to select our wired interface, not our wireless. Now it's going to set up the network. And here we are. We're going to put in our host name. And next, we're going to put in a domain name. And then we're going to go ahead and add a root password. Next, we're going to put in a name for our default user, set the password for that user. I'm going to select our time zone. Moving along here, setting some stuff up, we're going to basically select use the entire disk. We have a few options, but we're just going to use the whole disk, overwrite everything, all one partition, keep it simple, and we're going to say write changes to disk. So now it's going to partition, format, and install the base system. So we're going to say yes to using a mirror. We're going to select the mirror, and then we're going to skip using a proxy. Installing software here. Now we're going to say no to the survey when it asks us right here. We're just going to say no and continue on. So it's going to ask us about a bunch of optional components. It gives us a huge selection of desktops to choose from, a web server, SSH server, and standard utilities. Normally, I would just pick one desktop if you're doing a desktop installation. I'm going to select all of them just because I'm doing this for testing purposes. Normally, just pick the one you want and don't install too many unless you really have to. I'm not doing the SSH server or the web server because I'm using this as a desktop, not as a server. Otherwise, you might want to think about at least putting the SSH server on there if you are running this as a server. And if you are running it as a server, you might want to exclude all the desktop environments because they're all optional. So next, we're going to go ahead. It's going to keep installing software. It's going to ask us if we want GDM3, LightDM, or SDDM. They're all great choices. I'm going with GDM3 because that's nice and polished and it works great with GNOME, which is the default that we're going to be going with anyways. So now it's continuing to install and we're done. Now all we have to do is restart the system and we're back up and running, rebooted, logged in. This is our working Debian 12 system running GNOME by default, basic GNOME desktop. There you go. This is it. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button. And that's it for today. So we'll see you on the next video.